Where's the food joint? There's no one in the line.
Is Lou's A playing? We'll do it later.
No. I'll wait. Don't you feel talk anyway? No, but that's a really good question.
You can't.
No. It's so close. You can't get that quick.
Is it rigged? Is it not possible to get?
Who does it? I get the flick back of me.
Are we playing?
Hey, it's about to pick up the chocolate. Oh, fucking thing shut. No,
Oh.
Yeah, I know. Yeah,
Oh, is there no slushies?
No.
Who's got another pass?
Who's got another pass? Happy play Tour de France.
Oh, hang on, the crunchy just dropped. Someone put in a bucket full.
There you go.
Hey.
Come on. Go for it.
That's rough. Ah, you're a good bloke.
Get him on.
Sign him up.
Good on you, son. Yeah, fucking good. Oh, I mean, no, he knows the game's on crap. No, it's his team. He's sticking. Get it back up anyway. Look at that.
Oh, yeah, hang on.
Impossible. Can't track. Oh, geez. We'll take it first.
Hang on.
He's going again. Go one more. Go. You do the honest, your game. Come back in on that shot. No, it's DJ.
Yeah, but you have
DJ.
Oh, hang on. Oh, hang on.
He's having first bit, that guy. He has to have first bit.
Good block.
Top bloke. Stop pressing me all at once. No.
Where's Jack?
You got something. Oh, yeah. Celebrate.
Go back. Go back. Oh, yeah.
Start celebrating.
Yeah. Oh! Premature ejaculation.
In the front.
Oh, yeah. Are we hugging?
Yeah.
Yes.
We don't win it from this. There's something wrong with this machine. Oh, there's something wrong with this.
Come on. Hang on.
Oh.
Guys, I'll give you a hint. Alright? Can it fit down that hole? That's all we want to know. Can it fit? Give you a hint. Way to win, right? Words of wisdom.
Little bit
Right
of
in.
chocolate.
You got to get the little one.
Don't go for where it's full of chocolate because it's too heavy. Alright? So just.
Go on a two. You show us how it's going to go. Show us how it's going.
Nah.
Come on.
Alright. Yeah! Oh my god! I didn't catch it! Few words on that. Oh my god. I don't think I caught it.
Didn't you catch it?
No, because I had the camera like, we're all shattered.
Oh,
Well, hang on. Hey, good bloke right there.
thanks, mate.
Who's that? Hey! Go on. Yeah! Yeah!
Let's go talk.
Oh my god.